Hey, what's up guys? We just received the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 retail unit, so let's just do the unboxing for this device. So guys, as I promised before that I'll be doing such unboxing for this device and also putting some camera comparison with the budget range devices like the Redmi Note 5, Honor 7X and the 9 Lite. So these videos coming out soon. So sorry for the delay because I didn't get the device because of the flash sales. So here we come with the unboxing. Now on the front you get the We Love Photo a box package where you get some documentation and the warranty statement from Asus, and I think they just missed the case to provide because some of the retail unit also provided with the case, the silicone jelly. So in this package we didn't get that, and also the device is really pretty heavy with the 5000 mAh of battery inside. Now opening further we get the charging cable which is USB 2.0, and the fast charging is missing with this device, but we can't even complain because of the pricing. And also you get the Asus branded 5V 2A charger, so there is no fast charging or anything mentioned with this device. And also opening further you get the Max box which will amplify the music or the speaker. So the device is also having a 5 magnet speaker which we test it out in later with this video. So let's keep all this thing aside and move back to the device. So guys, moving further, let's look at the built-in design. Now on the front you get a 6-inch Full HD Plus resolution 18:9 display. On the right hand side you get a texturized power button with volume rocker, and also on the bottom you get a 5 magnet speaker USB 2.0, primary microphone with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now as the device has brushed metal finish, on the back side you get the fingerprint sensor, Asus logo and the dual camera with LED flash. On the top you get the secondary noise cancellation microphone, and on the left hand side you get the SIM tray. So guys, this device also provides the 4G VoLTE for dual SIM and also having the micro SD card slot expansion. So this is damn good to know that the budget range device also offers dual 4G VoLTE with the micro SD card slot. So the device pretty much cost around $250, and in India it's available for a cheaper price. So let's do it and let's boot up the device. So guys, after setting up the device, the first thing you notice that the smartphone having a 6-inch display which is bright enough, and you can compare it side by side with the OnePlus 6. However, this is a IPS LCD panel, but the display is really good. The brightness level is really sharp and the color accuracy is damn good on this thing. However, this comes in a budget range, but even in the sunlight conditions or the outdoor visibility is really superb on this 6-inch 18:9 display. And you also get rounded corners on each side which really looks like the Google Pixel 2 XL, but for the pricing we can't even complain because the 6-inch display is better than the Redmi Note 5 Pro and having better sunlight legibility. Now talking about the OnePlus 6, if you didn't watch that video, so I'm dropping all the links in the card, so just go and watch that video. Now as we already did set up the fingerprint and also the face unlock, so let's just check it. So as you can see, the fingerprint sensor works perfectly with this Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, and also with the face unlock, this device unlocked very fast, but not like the other manufacturer like the Honor and OnePlus. So you also have the secondary option like the fingerprint sensor to unlock the device. There is no issue. Now talking about the UI, so the UI is pretty interesting for this damn budget range smartphone. You get something like stock Android, but this is not purely stock. If you go into settings and going further, you find that this device runs on the Android Oreo 8.1.0, but if you look further, you get the Gen UI. So means the device is customized, the UI is pretty much customized to look like the stock Android and get you the experience of the stock Android you get from the Google devices. Now going into security, you also get the face unlock and fingerprint sensor. And talking about the storage, this is having a 64 GB variant with 4 GB RAM, so you get 54 GB out of 64 GB. So the device is pretty much really powerful. However, the CPU jets are showing wrong information like the Snapdragon 660, but this device runs with the Snapdragon 636 with the newer chipset with Cairo processor. And if you look at further, this device having a 5000 mAh of battery inside it, and running on the Snapdragon 636 will provide you the best battery life inside. You get around 2 days of battery life. And looking at the sensor of 41 sensor present on this device is really unbelievable because of the pricing of the device. You get 41 sensor with this device with Snapdragon 636, 5000 mAh of battery, 6-inch display for a price of $250. So guys, this is the best deal, but this is only available in India right now. Now talking further about the cameras, on the rear side you get a 16 plus 5 megapixel camera with single LED flash. There is no dual tone LED, but you also get the depth or the portrait mode on the back camera. As well as in the front camera you get a 8 megapixel f2.0 sensor with a soft LED flash, which will also help in taking photos in darker lighting conditions. And also with this device, the camera UI is pretty much stock. You get the Qualcomm Snapdragon camera UI, which looks pretty damn old because the UI is not pretty much customizable, and also you don't get the pro mode while shooting with photos and videos. But talking further, you get some options like to change the auto and manual modes, and there you get the portrait mode or the bokeh effect. So guys, the rear camera looks promising, and also with the newer update the camera looks really good. You also get some additional filters while you're taking photos. You can use that thing, and there is some samples which will give you the primary impression of the camera present on the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So just comment down below what do you think about the camera on this thing. And there is some samples which we already taken with the bokeh effect, and as you can see, the bokeh effect or the portrait mode and the dynamic range with this thing is really damn good for this pricing, and we can't even believe that. Now on the front facing camera you also get the portrait mode and the beautify filters, and also with the front facing camera you can customize the auto, label, manual settings, and you also get the flashlight. So these are some sample for the primary impression. Now going further with the video capturing, this device is able to capture 4K 30 fps with the rear side camera, and also you get the option to shoot in 4K with 18:9 ratio, which is really damn impressive because of the pricing of the device. But this is lack the 4K 60 fps, and also you don't get the OIS. But with the video capturing you also get the electronic image stabilization of the back camera, and also you can use these filters while recording a video from the rear side camera. Now talking about the video sample from the front facing camera, as the device having a 8 megapixel front sensor, so you can shoot up to 1080p, and also the electronic image stabilization available with this video capturing. And also you can use the same filters on the front camera, and you can also turn on the soft flash to get more light in darker lighting conditions. So guys, the camera looks promising, and we're gonna do some camera comparison test with the budget Android devices in future. Now it's time to check the loudness of the 5 magnet speaker present on this device, and also checking out the loudness of the amplifier, which is the Max box coming inside the box. In conclusion, the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 offering the best value for money you can get right now, and also with this thing you get the best class in display and the processor in it, the Snapdragon 636 and the 5000 mAh of battery. So we're gonna compare it with the Honor 7X, Honor 9 Lite and the budget range devices which coming at this price range. So if you have any further questions, just comment down below in the comment section, and I'll be picking up the question and make a video. So guys, that's it for this video. If you end up liking this one, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay connected for more awesome tech videos. Thanks for watching.